Hello everyone! As you probably know, China is known as the world's factory. But when it comes to exporting locomotives, how are they transported? In our last episode, we learned that different countries may use different track gauges. So how do we get locomotives to their destination? Because countries are located in different regions, different transportation methods may be used. Some locomotives can be transported by sea, and once they arrive, they can enter the local railway network directly.
But what if they have to go by rail?
If a locomotive is transported by rail to a country with a different track gauge, an important operation is required. It's called a bogie change.
What was that? You mean changing the track?
No. Let's take an example. Suppose a locomotive is being exported to Kazakhstan. The local track gauge is 1,520 millimeters, which is a broad gauge. After leaving the factory, the locomotive bogie is first mounted on standard gauge transport bogies. It is then transported to the border port without using its own power. That port is Alashankou.
Hey buddy, where are you taking me?
We are heading to Alashankou first. Get your bogies changed.
Meanwhile, the broad gauge bogies are transported to Alashankou by road or rail freight. Therefore, if we want to export a locomotive to Kazakhstan, the engineers need to account for two sets of bogies, and they have to make sure that the bogies for both track gauges use exactly the same connection interfaces with the locomotive body. This is Alashankou Border Port. Now, technicians need to replace the bogies underneath the locomotive.
Hey, I mean, what are you guys doing?
Don't worry, just relax. We'll be done in no time. We're going to replace your standard gauge bogies with broad gauge bogies.
Are you sure this is going to work?
Trust us, it'll be just fine.
Once the bogie change is done, the locomotive can enter the broad gauge railway and continue its journey to Kazakhstan.
Okay, all done. Take it slow and give it a try.
Whoa, so good!
Working with you to connect the world. CRRC, so good!